There are four massive trends that are impacting the legal profession over the last 5 to 10 years. First is the incredible amount of increased competition. Now think about this. There are over 1.1 million attorneys in the United States today. That's one attorney for every 300 people, man, woman, and child included. And law schools continue to graduate over 43,000 new lawyers every single year. So is competition in your area increasing or decreasing? Of course it's increasing. And we're seeing this as a huge trend all across the country. The second massive trend that's really impacting attorneys today is the move from being a generalist to a specialist. Today's sophisticated consumer, whether they're an individual consumer, a small business owner, or a general counsel at a company, is that they are requiring their attorneys to know more and more about less and less. They're requiring them to be specialists. And if it hasn't happened in your area, it very well soon will happen where the age of being a generalist is dead. It's over. It's so difficult to market yourself as a general law practice now. You really have to niche yourself as a specialist. And that can be in multiple niches. It doesn't just have to be one niche. It could be 2 or 3. But you have to position yourself as a leading expert and a specialist in your geographical area for your specific practice area. The third major trend is industry consolidation. And unless you haven't been paying attention to the legal landscape, you know very well that smaller firms have been merging with mid-sized firms. Mid-sized firms have been swallowed up by large firms. Large firms have gone global. And the end result of that consolidation is that you have these mega law firms that are trying to become one-stop shops for all of their consumers' needs, for all of their clients' needs, which means many times the small and solo law practice is left with just the scraps on the table. They're left feeling like, I can't have access to the best clients, I have to take whatever's left over. But there is a better way. The fourth major trend that's facing the legal industry today is the domination of internet marketing. You know, if there was one trend that I could point to that has completely shifted the landscape of legal and law firm marketing, it would be the internet. Never before has it been possible to, within 5 minutes, to have highly qualified prospects visiting your website and picking up the phone and calling you. Never before have there been so many consumers that have been not only just finding attorneys online, but researching attorneys online. So I have attorneys that come to me today and say, Stephen, is it really true that people are looking for lawyers online? Absolutely it is. We have clients right now that are making substantial 6 and 7 figures just from their websites. Think about that. That was not true 10 years ago, but it is true today. You can build a substantial presence on the internet and build a large practice just by having a great online presence.